Sometimes living cheap even makes us wasteful. We often think that living a frugal lifestyle means being environmentally conscious and resourceful, but sometimes it can lead to the opposite. Let's find out. Cheap products. Purchasing low-cost items can result in waste because they often have a shorter lifespan than higher quality items. This means you'll have to replace them more frequently, which will result in more waste in the long run. Rather, invest in high-quality, long-lasting items that will save your money in the long run. Disposable products. One of the primary ways that cheap living can result in waste is the use of disposable products. To save money on dishwashing, many people opt for disposable plates, cups, and utensils, but this can result in a lot of unnecessary waste. Rather, invest in reusable products that can be washed and reused repeatedly. Unnecessary purchases. Living cheap can also lead to unnecessary purchases. When we're trying to save money, we may be tempted to buy things we don't need just because they are on sale. This can lead to a lot of waste money and resources. Rather, concentrate on purchasing only what you require and investing in high-quality items that will last longer. Cheap services. Be wary of cheap services. Hiring a cheap contractor or a service provider may appear to be a good deal at the time, but it can often result in shoddy work or the need for repairs later on. In the long run, this can lead to a lot of waste and unnecessary spending. Instead, do your homework and invest in high-quality service providers who will get the job done correctly the first time. Food waste. Another area where living cheap can lead to waste is in the kitchen. Many people attempt to save money by purchasing in bulk or purchasing discounted items that are nearing their expiration date. While this is a good way to save money, it can also result in a lot of food waste if you don't use everything before it goes bad. To avoid overbuying, buy only what you need and plan your meals ahead of time. So there you have it. Remember, cheap products, disposable products, unnecessary purchases, cheap services, and food waste. Thanks for watching.